Good morning friends. Today we are learn about a centroid formula. Last topic we have studied section formula, midpoint formula. By using these two formulas, we can calculate a central formulas in triangle ABC. If coordinate of A x1 y1, coordinate of B x2 y2, coordinate of C x3 y3 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Segment AD is the median and G point, that is xy, is a centroid. Then how will we calculate the value of x and y? That means the coordinate of centroid, that is a G xy, and D is the midpoint of a segment BC. Now we have to considering a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, coordinate of A x1 y1, coordinate of B x2 y2, coordinate of C x3 y3, and G is AD is nothing but the median. That's why BD is equal to DC because this is a median. Okay, and a point G is a centroid. That centroid divides the median into 2:1 ratio. Okay, therefore we have to consider M is equal to 2 and N is equal to 1 here. Okay, now and D is a midpoint. Therefore we want to calculate the coordinate of point D. Here is x2, here is x3, therefore x2 plus x3 upon 2 by using a midpoint formula. Here is y2, here is y3, therefore y2 plus y3 upon 2 is the coordinate of point D. First we have considering a triangle ABC, A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. AD is the median, therefore D is the midpoint of a segment BC. By using midpoint formula, we can calculate the coordinate of D x2 plus x3 upon 2, y2 plus y3 upon 2. And this median and G is nothing but the centroid. That centroid divides a median into 2:1 ratio. Therefore, AG is equal to 2 and GD is equal to 1. We get the point A x1 y1, D x2 plus x3 upon 2 and y2 plus y3 upon 2. By using a section formula, we can calculate the coordinate of G, that is x and y. Okay. Now we have to considering here x1 y1 and this x2 plus x3 and 2 is nothing but upon 2 is nothing but the x2. Therefore by using a section formula, section formula is that x is equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. Okay, here we want m is equal to 2, n is equal to 1. Okay, and here x2 is equal to x2 plus x3 upon 2. Okay, here we want to considering x2 plus x3 upon 2 is equal to x2 and y2 plus y3 is considered as a y2 because this is x coordinate and this is a y coordinate. Okay, putting this value, then we get x is equal to m. X2 is nothing but m value is equal to 2. X2 is x2 plus x3 upon 2 plus n is equal to 1 into x1 upon m plus 1 twice plus 1. Okay, 2 to get cancel, x2 plus x3 plus x1 upon 3, and that is nothing but the x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, and that is nothing but the centroid of point x. Okay, by using section formula, x is nothing but the mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, but in this case m is equal to 2, n is equal to 1 and x1 is equal to x1, but x2 is equal to x2 plus x3 upon 2. Okay, x2 is equal to x2 plus x3 upon 2. Putting this value in this equation, and we get x is equal to m is equal to 2 x2 plus x3 upon 2, m n is equal to 1 x1, m is equal to 2 plus 1, 2 to get cancel, x2 plus x3 plus x1 upon 3, is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Similarly, by using section formula, y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Here m is equal to 2, n is equal to 1, and y2 is equal to y2 plus y3 upon 2. Putting these three value in a section formula, we get y is equal to m is nothing but the 2, y2 is nothing but the y2 plus y3 upon 2, plus n is equal to 1, y1 is equal to y1 upon 2 plus 1. 2 to get cancelled. Remaining thing y2 plus y3 plus 1 into y1, that is a y1 upon 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. Therefore, y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Okay. Got it? परत रिकॉलिंग करतो बघा. सेंट्रॉइड फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला घ्यायचा आहे. सेंट्रॉइड फॉर्म्युला कशासाठी घ्यायचा? जर ट्रायंगलचे 3 व्हर्टायसेसचे कोऑर्डिनेट आपल्याला दिलेले असतील तर आपल्याला त्याच्या सेंट्रॉइडचे कोऑर्डिनेट कॅल्क्युलेट करता येतात. त्यासाठी आपल्याला सेंट्रॉइड फॉर्म्युला घ्यायचा आहे. ओके. सेंट्रॉइड फॉर्म्युला घेण्यासाठी आपण ट्रायंगल ए बी सी कन्सिडर केला. ए x1 y1, बी x2 y2, सी x3 y3. ए डी मीडियन कन्सिडर केली. मीडियन कन्सिडर केल्यामुळे डी हा मिड पॉईंट आहे. डी हा मिड पॉईंट असल्यामुळे बी आणि सीच्या कोऑर्डिनेटवरून डीचे कोऑर्डिनेट आपण फाइंड केले बाय युजिंग मिड पॉईंट फॉर्म्युला. ए डी मीडियन आहे. त्या मीडियनवर जी हा सेंट्रॉइड अवेलेबल आहे आणि सेंट्रॉइड असल्यामुळे centroid divides a median into 2:1 ratio. Therefore, AG is equal to twice GD is equal to 1. That means M is equal to 2, N is equal to 1 here. Then by using a section formula, we can calculate the coordinate of G, that is X and Y. Then by using section formula, G XY is nothing but X is equal to MX2 plus NX1 upon M plus 1. Here m is equal to 2, n is equal to 1, x2 is equal to here all this term x2 plus x3 upon 2. Okay. Putting these three values in x formula, we get x twice x2 plus x3 upon 2 plus 1 into x1, 2 to get cancelled. Remaining thing x2 plus x3 and 1 into x1, that is x1. x2 plus x3 plus x1 upon 3. Formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Similarly for y. By using section formula, y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, where m is equal to 2, n is equal to 1, and y2 is equal to here, that is a y2 plus y3 upon 2. Okay, y2. Putting these three value in above equation, twice y2 plus y3 upon 2, 2 to get cancelled, plus 1 into y1 upon 2 plus 1, y2 plus y3 plus y1, y2 plus y3 plus y1 upon 3. That means y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. This is nothing but the centroid formula. If x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 are the vertices of a triangle, then the coordinate of centroid are x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y coordinate is y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3, and this is called as a centroid formula. Okay friends, thank you.